Ben Russell Court is a great place to live. I definitely recommend it to any students that come around here. You'll never be bored, there's people around all the time, so much fun.
My housemates are great, we have such a good time together and the staff are lovely.
There are 2 room types to choose from.
So my room here at Ben Russell Court has a double bed in it, has a large wardrobe, a full-length mirror and a really nice large open window.
The favourite part about my room is my desk because it's just so big. I can leave all my work out, I can have my laptop out at the same time. The bathroom here, it's shared between 4 other people. It's communal, shower and toilet, and then we've got a separate toilet as well.
Having a separate toilet allows you to never really be waiting for someone who's in the shower. So between 5 of us, it's not a problem at all. So our kitchen is quite large and it's got a lot of countertops, which is useful for when everybody wants to try and cook at the same time. No one's on top of each other. Loads of drawer and cupboard space.
You've got an oven, you've got a hob, you've got a microwave, you've got a fridge and a freezer to store everything. Just a really nice space.
There's a TV in here, which is really nice to just sit around and invite friends over if we're going for a night out. The internet and the Wi-Fi in Ben Russell Court is really great.
It's really stable and it's really useful. I can do all my work, check on Facebook, check on my friends and family.
It allows me to watch films and YouTube videos. Having a laundrette on site is so convenient. You just take it over, drop it off. It's really handy.
So I feel really safe living in Ben Russell Court. There's security patrolling around all the time. There's CCTV on the outside and in communal areas. There's also a fob, which you use to get into Ben Russell Court.
The staff here are really friendly. You really get to know them over your time here and they're really compassionate and understanding that you might be feeling nervous about moving away from home.
If you have a parcel or anything, the reception will literally hold it for you and they'll keep it safe for you. So when you're around, you can come and collect it. And just really useful.
All my bills are included with my rent. It's fantastic for me. I'm not stressing throughout the month about having to pay all of my separate bills.
Ben Russell Court is in a really good location because it's about a minute's walk away from Temple-Baxter University, a minute away from Leicester University. Town is literally 5 minutes away. There's a train station 10 minutes away if you want to go further afield.
A really short walk to Leicester Football Stadium, and in town there's loads of great restaurants and bars, so you've always got lots of things to do.
Living at Ben Russell Court is just so nice. There's so many people around that are really friendly.
I would 100% recommend living here as a student if you're thinking of coming to Leicester. It's in such a great location and you will have the best time here.
My room's perfect. I just feel really at home here.